Why do 90% of home cooks love stir-fry? Because it's quick, easy, and oh so delicious. First up, tofu time. Pat your 200 grams of firm tofu dry and cube it up. Heat a tablespoon of vegetable oil in your skillet or wok over medium heat. Toss in the tofu and cook until it's golden and crispy. Remove and set aside. Now for the veggies. Add a bit more oil if needed, then throw in 1 cup of broccoli florets, 1 sliced red bell pepper, 1 julienne carrot, and 1 cup of sliced mushrooms. Sauté for 3 to 4 minutes, keeping them crisp but tender. Let's make that sauce. In a small bowl, mix 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, lemon or lime juice, a half teaspoon of sriracha for some kick, optional, and 1 tablespoon of maple syrup or honey. Pour it over the veggies and add the tofu back to the pan. Stir till everything's nicely coated. Want it thicker? Mix 1 teaspoon of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of water and pour it in. Serve over steamed rice or noodles and garnish with sesame seeds or green onions if you're feeling fancy. Enjoy your quick and healthy stir-fry.